Hey people, what is up? Okay, you know what you're looking at here, right? Of course you do. It's the best damn pistol ever created, the Glock 17. But we're not going to talk about this one today. We're going to talk about this one, the miniature version. Everything works on here just like the original. You can get accessories for the accessory rail. Mag release works just like the original. Slide release. Takedown pins or levers. Trigger works. Everything pretty much works the same. Just a smaller version. There's the mags. There's the little mag catch right there. There's a 9mm. There's the bullets for the miniature. Pretty detailed. Anyway, so yeah. That's the miniature 9mm Glock 17. Off short. Stay sharp.